Supplier Invoices report. From this report, you can generate list of supplier invoices. From date range, you can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month date, quarter to date, year to date, live to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range supplier invoices. You can select particular supplier. You can select range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all supplier invoices. From category, you can select particular supplier category, range of supply categories. If you don't select any supplier category, system will display all supplier categories, supplier invoices. From status, you can select active, inactive, or both suppliers. If you check supplier returns checkbox, system will include supplier returns to this report. If you check use foreign currency checkbox, system will display supplier invoices in supplier's currency. Hit view report button. From this report, you can view list of supplier invoices. You can view supplier invoice date, document number, supplier invoice number, supplier name, due date, anticipated payment date, exclusive amount, VAT amount, total purchases and total outstanding of that supplier invoice. We have checked supplier returns checkbox. Therefore, system will display supplier returns in supplier invoices report. We have checked use foreign currency checkbox. Therefore, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. We will uncheck supplier returns checkbox and refresh. Now, supplier returns not included in this report. We will uncheck use foreign currency checkbox. Now, system will display all transactions in home currency. Furthermore, if you uncheck use foreign currency checkbox, system will display grand total of these transactions. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original document. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can print or email this report.